Kasorka jela kelap pengkrep dan penbahaya borok Islam ajingi kaya ke jela. Uminti rang ba ke jela ukonat ke sang mah nen kesni ka absen terik unai weng. Ula pentip baborok kijing tei penbahaya ki skul ha ke jela. Kentup ya ki model school bat ki residential school on pendep hau lebe ajong sunam arjar arpuai. Ukonat sama ulai thu ru balamang hadu sispa klu tingka ban pendep ya kijing tei ya ki skul ki batang sakut citeng kijing trai. Kumban pentip kajela miglea ke dona du lai hajar teli ki skul lower primary jong ke sarkar hakabah nyopho nak sispa na pedang jongki kempat maromat hadu balatete yakin ka sarkar jela kan thawru yaki college habak mara William Nagar bat sora bat lathmu ban pendep yakini kijingtei hauno pra jong usnam arajar arpuar yakini kijing pemna la pemna do konat ke sangma menteri rang ba jela henan kesni hakapor bola pli yak surak na Eden Bari Tura Shaharding Theological College Residential School.
I will inform all of you that we have now taken the initiative to complete all those pending projects in the model schools and the residential schools to ensure that they are completed within this financial year itself. So you will see close to about 100 crores of investment will be made in order to complete those existing schools which were half done but not completed. So we are going to organize about 100 crores to invest in that. We have also decided to start the college building in Bambara, in William Nagar. I will lay the foundation stone for that. Already the tender has been called. I think the work will be allotted within the next few weeks' time, and I'm sure the work will start by January. We intend to complete Bambara, William Nagar, and Sora College by December 2022. You look at half the LP schools that are there in our state. What Madam Fadil is mentioning is absolutely correct. We have over or close to 3,000 elementary schools, and 70% of them have never been repaired since they were made.